tutorial on how to create a customer with Odoo Sales. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a large organization, managing your customer relationships are crucial for success. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating a new customer in Odoo Sales. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to create a customer with full details. So let's get started.
First, navigate to the Sales module and select Orders, and then Customers. Here, you'll see the list of customers that you have created so far. To create a new customer, simply click New. Next, you'll be taken to the screen where you need to enter the customer's details. Here, you can add an image of the customer if you prefer. This is optional. As you move your cursor around each field, you'll notice that some lines are dark and some are light. The dark lines indicate the mandatory fields you need to fill in when creating a customer. Be sure to fill in all the fields with a dark line. Start by selecting whether your customer is an individual or a company. Then enter their name. Let's say Jane. You can enter her basic details as required in each field here. You can also use the tag field to map the customer to a short name. This will help you to easily filter out the customer when needed. Next, you'll see a series of tabs below which allow you to note down other important details. In the Contacts and Addresses tab, you can add a contact person's name here. Suppose the person you need to contact for accounting inquiries is a separate person from your client. Then you may add his or her address and other details here. You can also add other addresses as shown. Invoice address is a separate address which maintains for financial specific transactions. For an example, if your client's main office and the delivery of goods address are in different places, Odoo has provided you with this opportunity to map two different addresses in the system, so that when the goods need to be delivered to the client, the system will automatically select the delivery address to be printed in the goods issue note. You may also add a private address, but this will be visible only to authorized users. In the Sales and Purchases tab, you have the option to assign a dedicated salesperson to the customer, as well as set specific payment terms, such as 15 days, 21 or 30. You can also customize the pricing for the customer by selecting a specific price list in the price list section. If you don't have a special price list for this customer, you can simply select the default public price list, which represent the standard sales unit price for items. For more detailed information on setting up custom price list, please refer to our other video on the subject. Fiscal Position is a tool Odoo has provided to manage taxes where you can create sets of rules to automatically adapt the taxes and the accounts used for a transaction. This is mostly used in European countries. Under Purchase, you can also set up a payment term for the vendor with the Receipt Reminder feature to send automatic reminders to your vendor regarding goods receipts. This feature can help ensure that your business stays on top of deliveries and that nothing falls through the cracks. In the Accounting tab, you can add the customer's bank details by clicking on Add a Line. You can also add account receivables and payables in the Accounting Entries field, which is a mandatory field. As we explained earlier, Odoo has given the opportunity to consider a partner as a customer and also a vendor. For this reason, when creating a customer, it is necessary to map a payable account and also a receivable account. These account receivable and payable accounts must be according to your chart of accounts. When a sale is made, the account receivable type account will be debited and income type account will be credited. When a purchase is made, the expense type account will be debited while account payable type account gets credited. The relevant income and expense type accounts will be mapped under products. For more details, kindly refer to our other video on creating a product and product categories. On the top of the screen, you see several tabs which are called Smart Buttons. These buttons allow you to view details about sales, purchase orders, invoices, vendor bills, and partner letters related to this customer.
And there you have it, a complete customer profile created in no time with Odoo Sales. With this tutorial, you can easily streamline your sales process and spend more time growing your business. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching.